A rifle bird of paradise. Like many jungle dwellers, birds of paradise avoid competing with each other. These live in different parts of the island. The six-plumed bird of paradise displays in his special clearing. The magnificent bird of paradise prefers the low branches of bushes. His female is modestly dressed. The male has a good set of lungs, but he'll have to do more than flutter his eyelids to impress her. All depends on his performance. Females may be dull, but they're picky. Time for a closer inspection. His right side looks fine, but what about his left? Pretty impressive, but is he magnificent enough? Her departure says it all. Generations of choosy females have driven the evolution of male displays. The more extravagant the show, the more likely he'll be noticed. There's no such thing as over the top.